Hi, welcome. I'd love to show you these needle books I've made. They were inspired by Mrs. Cogs Pins and Needles class on Etsy. They each come with charms and mini spools of embroidery floss. They are 4 by 4.5 inches. They each come with a pair of scissors. They each have areas on their pages for pins and needles and safety pins. I've included embroidery floss cards in assorted colors, and they come with a button card. Each book comes with 2 side pockets. One side pocket has an extra floss card, and the other one comes with a mini junk journal. These junk journals have a few bits of ephemera in them, and the pages are, some of them are coffee dyed and hand dyed colored maps, dictionary pages, doilies, and specialty pages. They are a perfect addition to this cute little needle book, and I hope you enjoy the others that I've made.